Welcome to Genesis Rehab Renovation Project Management System educational training on setting up and using the Genesis system. This is your host and creator of the Genesis software system. I'm going to explain and set up a corporate account for use with the Genesis program. The first thing you need to do is register your company. As Genesis is designed to allow you to have multiple consultants within the same framework of one corporate registration, in addition to having contractors and lenders also logging into your portal, you must set up the company registration first. So here we will do that. We are going to set up a company registration in Genesis. So the first thing we do is we hit the register button, and it will lead us here to a place that says company registration. We need to enter the contact information, the company location, and you need to create a company ID and a company password. Once you've set this information in place, then you hit the I agree to the terms and conditions of this site, and you're signed up. So now you can see I've entered information for my local company, and a couple of important factors to consider. When you are entering the password, it needs to be more than 8 characters. And when you enter your company website, you do not need to do so, but if you choose to enter it into the system, you must hit http:// and then the www. So now I'm going to enter the sign up. And there you can see I didn't put a large enough number of characters in. Okay, so let's try that again. And there I've been successfully signed up. Once you've signed up with a company ID, now you can go in and create your consultant login. So you log in with your company name, and you're going to enter the consultant management system. And here you're going to be able to log in. Whoops, I hit the wrong one. You always must enter your company ID. And then here you enter the company management system. And then you must enter your registered email address. And so here's my company email address and my password. And now I hit login. Now I'm entered, and it shows me as an administrator, and I'm in my company, and I can add consultants. I can view the consultants under my company, and I can add and edit the contractors who are listed in my firm. Very soon we're going to talk about how to add lenders and even a portal for your borrowers. So now you see here where it says you have not uploaded your company logo yet. Upload now. So I click this button, and then I can browse the files, and I just basically go out to my computer. I selected the file, and here our company logo is now showing up, and you can see where the logo is. So now I'm going to go back to the list. So that's in the settings. So now I'm going to go back into consultants, and I have no consultants listed, so I need to add consultants. So I hit the dashboard, and now I'm going to add a consultant. So now I'm going to add myself as a consultant so that I can log into the account both as the administrator and as a consultant. The consultant ID number that you're going to enter is your HUD-approved consultant ID. If you have a state or local home inspection number, you need to enter it here. If not, you just put NA. If you are a member of a national association, you enter it here. So you would either enter InterNACHI or the American Society or whatever association that you are a member of, you would enter it here. If you're a member of a local home inspection association, for example, the Florida Association of Building Inspectors, you would put that in as well. So whatever association that you are primarily involved in, that should be the name you enter here. Okay? So I'm going to put in your NAFAC ID number is the same as your government consultant ID. Then you enter your own contact information. And you put in an email address, and it can be the same email address that you set up as a corporation, as a company. You can use the same email. And you must give at least one telephone number. And an address. And now we hit submit. When you hit submit, the consultant is now added to the system, and a unique password is created for the consultant with this email address. So now you can see my login password is listed here. Okay? This is created by the system. So now I'm done. So now I can log out of the program as a manager, as a company, and I will log in now as a consultant. So this ends this session of training for setting up your company and your logo and your consultant.